everyone, Luke here. Hope you're doing well. First of all, hope you're doing okay if you're quarantined wherever you are. Hope that you're staying safe and you're keeping your spirits up, keeping healthy and everything. Also wanted to say that I am doing a 10% sale on all hair tests right now, all programs for people that want to do a program with me. Okay, that's for new clients. And just wanted to do that because of the coronavirus. It's very important that we stay healthy, right? No matter how bad it may or may not be. Okay, taking care of our health is something that's very important. And strengthening your body is basically the best thing you can do besides limiting exposure, right? So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys a bidet. Okay, so many people all around the world are panicking over toilet paper, right? We just went to the grocery store, me and my wife, and there was no toilet paper, right? So what I did, instead of panicking about toilet paper, and I recommend you do, is you install a bidet, okay? So let's look at mine right here that I installed, okay? So what a bidet does, all right, is it basically shoots water, okay? There's a little water nozzle right here, and what it does is it shoots water into your butthole, okay? And this is the one that we got from Amazon. There's different brands. They have reviews. This one is a pure bidet. Model is A121. And as you can see, it has hot, cold. It also has a woman setting for the lady in your life. If she also wants to clear, use the water to rinse her lady parts. We don't have the hot setting hooked up right now because it has a different valve for that. You have to go to your sink where the hot water is. But yeah, it's really simple, you guys. It took me like 5 minutes to put it. It just slides. They have ones like this that just slide underneath the toilet right here, and it just you undo the screws for the toilet seat and then screw the toilet seats back in. You can see like right there, it just slides in like that. Pretty simple. And it came with all the parts and everything. It came with the wrench and stuff. And then I'll put a link to the model that I got. There's cheaper ones on Amazon. This should probably do the trick. But this one's pretty nice if you want the hot water setting, although it's harder to set up. And it also has the lady parts setting as well. And yeah, so far so good. It gets me nice and clean, and it pays for itself, right? I've been using less toilet paper, and I can tell already in a month or two it will pay for itself. So you don't need to panic over toilet paper. It's better for the environment. It gets you cleaner, you guys. It's also more hygienic. And yeah, I'll actually go over some of the benefits in the second part of this video. But just wanted to show it to you guys.
Luke here. So this is the second part of the bidet video.
How easy it is, really.
Just wanted to bring your attention to Dr. Wilson's article about bidets. He just talks about some of the overviews with bidets, like what types of bidets, what a bidet is. He talks about the requirements to have a bidet. Also a certain procedure that you can use to actually eliminate some toxins using a bidet. He talks about some of the benefits of doing this procedure, basically using the bidet. Okay, and then some cautions for bidets. And then also which bidets are best, okay? So fixed position versus, not fixed. Ones with either cold, just cold, or cold and hot water. There's handheld ones where you actually, you do it with your hand. There's ones that are fixed, like mine. Mine is fixed and it just sprays from underneath. And then there's, he describes how to use the bidet to clean up, how to clean yourself basically with it. And some other things about bidets as well, okay? So yeah, so there's, as you can see in this article, there's lots of benefits. I'll just list off some of the benefits for you guys. Number one, no toilet paper panic, okay? So that's number one, okay? People around the world here in America are panicking over the coronavirus, and they're panicking for toilet paper because they want to stock up. And the bidet, you use very little toilet paper. You only need the toilet paper with the bidet to basically just get the water off. And you could even do that with a rag or a paper towel. I still am using toilet paper, and I'm just using a lot less, okay? So no toilet paper panic, okay? Number two is hygiene, okay? It's much more hygienic. It's just, it's a lot cleaner, right? You're not getting feces on your hand. You're not, making contact to that area of the body. Is basically all taken care of, by the water. Okay, And then most of the bidets, like mine, has actually a clean setting too, so you can if it gets dirty, you can actually clean the bidet. Okay, you can also just clean the bidet as part of your regimen when you're cleaning your toilet. Okay, so it's much more hygienic. Number 3, also it saves money, you guys. That's important to realize. As I mentioned in the first part of the video, it saves money. Okay. So, within a month or two, it'll pay for itself. How much money do you spend on toilet paper? If you're using a lot less toilet paper, the only thing that costs to run the bidet is just the cost of your water, and it's very, very minimal. Okay. Some of the bidets, they cost like $30, $40, $50, maybe up to $60, and your time to install it. But other than that, once it's installed, you're only using water. Okay. So it's basically better in every way. Okay. Saving money, hygiene, no toilet paper panic, and also you can do the procedure that Dr. Wilson talks about. So it also helps eliminate toxins. Okay. So you can actually do a procedure with it. Okay. But I'll say the top 3 things are no toilet paper panic. Okay. Especially what's going on around the world. Hygiene. Okay. It's huge. It's way better than hygiene. Think of children too. If you teach a child to use this, I have a daughter. And when it's hard for a little girl to learn how to wipe herself, right? She uses a ton of toilet paper because she doesn't really know what she's doing because no one's helping her. And she doesn't get it as clean as an adult can get it, right? Just because children are less coordinated, they don't know what they're doing. With a bidet, it makes the procedure for a child a lot cleaner. Okay. You have other problems with bidets, like if they're not sitting on it correctly, it might spray water everywhere. Or it can be a little bit different. They have to get used to the lever and stuff like that. But I would say especially for children, okay, because I've seen how difficult it is for young children to wipe. And they can make a mess. They're getting it all over their hands. It's just all around not a good thing. Okay, and then number 3, guys, it saves money. Okay, it's gonna pay for itself. Within a few months, it's gonna pay for itself. And number 4. It can eliminate toxins, actually, similar to like a water enema in a lot of ways. And so that's it. In the video, like I said, I will include the link to the bidet that I have. And I hope that this video helps you guys out and makes you want to get a bidet, because I think it is really better in every way. So that's it, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye.